Hello everyone and welcome to our course Primavera P6 version 18, and today is gonna be lecture number 4, how to create your activities, your tasks, and also doing the links between activities in easy way, saving your time, making you an expert. And just to remind you, in lecture number 1 we have done a course overview, P6 history. Lecture number 2 we have done how to download a legal copy and how to do the database configurations. Lecture number 3, how you create your WBS in agreement with the project manager in Excel, and then you copy and paste into your Primavera. In this lecture here, number 4, gonna be around creating activity and doing the links. Let's start. You should agree with your project manager about the coding, activity IDs, and also the description of each activity from the project estimate, and after that it's gonna be easy for you just to copy and paste that into your how to add activity in your schedule. You're gonna go to this plus sign here and you agree on the ID, activity name, okay, and you make next, and then next if you don't like to change any default. I prefer like that, so I will go to my Excel, okay, and I will copy the first activity here and I will go back adding this activity, design building additions, and then start office. Let me start here, okay. I can copy this to highlight them and copy and paste rather than creating a new activity. And I will go to Excel and I will choose review and approve drawing, okay. Go back to your Excel and choose this activity as simple technical data, and I'm gonna add here a simple technical data, okay. And I still have one activity here, okay. Let me copy this one and paste it, okay, and I will copy that and do it. There is another way to import this into P6 once you create the WBS, and I will explain it later on. But right now we have added all the activity under design and engineering, okay. And after that I will add the durations. Might be this one here is 20 days, this one is 10 days, and this one make it by the way 25, okay. Make it this 15 and make that by the way 35 days. So now you have created the activity, agreed on the ID. If you'd like to change the ID, you can change the ID, the numbering system, and you have created all the activity under design and engineering. What is the next step, guys? What is the next step is to create the links, okay, because as you can see here on the right chart here, on the Gantt chart, all the activity have the same start date, which is the data date, okay. So I will choose an easy way to tie activity, and if I would like to change the logic after that I can do. I will highlight the first two activity like that, right click and make links, and these two links and these two links and these two links, okay. You can see right now that the program start adding this arrow and give you okay how the relationship between these activities. But right now we didn't schedule it yet. We did not do any scheduling to measure the dates, and all of them have the same dates. So you can do schedule by F9 like that, and you can choose the data date, and I will keep it the start date because we didn't do any update yet. You can see right now how the program is scheduling your activities and tying them in a logical sequence like that, okay, and all of them red because all of them finished to start. But if you would like to go in one of that, and you go to, by the way here, the predecessor or the successor activities, okay, and you would like to change the relationship from finish to start to make it start to start, or make it start like that, and then I will schedule back again. You're gonna see right now I can go and change any logic that I have done, Okay, and you can continue like that, adding all your activity under each of these WBS, and you schedule it, and you're gonna have your critical path. I hope this easy lectures helping you guys building your schedule in a fast way, an easy way, and continue with us. And thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next lecture. This is Alex El Hindawi, California, United States Project Control Manager.